Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Art Verhoeven from ART Lights, and in this video I want to show you how to create a position picker with the attribute picker plugin. Therefore we go to the MA on PC, where I already have the color picker and all the macros that are related to the color picker. Just like I showed in my previous videos. Now what we're going to do is to load the attribute picker plugin. I've already installed the attribute picker plugin on the USB device, so the only thing I have to do now is run the plugin loader again, which is the same plugin loader as the color picker plugin loader. And if I run this plugin loader, it automatically finds the attribute picker, which is now on the USB device, and loads its macros. And as you can see, it also eliminates the create color picker macro, and it substitutes it for the create attribute picker macro. So if we want to create attribute pickers, then one thing we should do is to recreate the icons library. The icons library here only has fixtures. It's nice for the color picker, but now we will need more images, and with the attribute picker plugin, lots of extra images come in the pack. So let's recreate this one. We used existing values, so it comes at the same place. Everything will be set at the same place. And now it asks if we want to include position points. Yes, these are images, points of different positions. Then we have position beams, other images for positions in forms of beams. You can see them later. And also we have instruments, and then we have other images for gobos. We have gobos for different fixture types. You can add later gobos for other fixture types. Create them for every fixture type that you want. Then we have some different beam images for zooms and for flash, and we also have special images for the LED washes that have the different rings that you can select. You can select colors for it. I'll include all the images that are there. If you see there, you can see that 111 different images. Well, it's 222 images and 111 different buttons that are created now. So if I go back now to the image library, do a zoom to fit, and we can see all the images that are included in the pack. Okay, let's restore this one here, please. And so now I'm ready to create my position picker. Let's go to create attribute picker, and the first thing it will ask is the type number. This refers to the types numbers that are up in your screen, and we're going to create the position, which is type number 2. The position group range. Okay, we didn't check this out, so let's do an ICIS here. ICIS is to console to board, so we are aborted by user, and now we're going to look at the group range, and for the positions we have beams, spot, quantum boys and Robin boys that have all position information. The rest of the fixture does not have position information. and I don't want a group that shows all my fixtures to the same place. I just keep with these 4 groups, so it will be group 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2 until 5. And the next thing it will ask is for the position presets. As you can see, we got 15 presets here, so that's an important date to remember. Let's go back to create attribute picker. Position type was 3. Oh no, it was 3. It was 2. I'm sorry, 2, which is the position. And group range 2 through 5. 2 and through 5. Then position preset range, we said it's 1 through 15. And then the layout number, I'll keep these to default values. Depends on your show where that you have space for it. The wide for screen 1 is 11 wide and 4 height. And these I also keep on the default places. It depends very much on your show. Well, that's actually the hard work's done. Well, the hard work is doing the plugin right now. It's creating 60 sequences, 60 macros, and 60 images to fill our position picker. So let's see how that looks like. And more or less it looks like this. You can see that the colors, we now have horizontal colors, and let's store this one here. 1 minute, please. In color picker, we had vertical colors because these are the colors that the fixtures will have. Here we have horizontal colors, which corresponded to the colors that we assigned to the groups that we're using. So it's important that before you create the position picker, you assign colors to your different groups. You can assign it simply to press assign 3 times, and it comes appearance here, and you click the group you want to assign a color to, and then you choose the color you want, and then you have the color assigned to a group. So now we have our position picker, and we want to add some images of different positions. As you've seen, that you can see that the first position is a locate, for example. So we go to the image library, and this might be a nice locate symbol. You can create your own symbols. In another video, I'll show you how to. So if we assign this symbol to the first preset, then you can see that for all fixtures, this preset will have the same symbol. I have all presets are created for all fixtures. So all fixtures have a locate, have front left, have an audience or public or whatever. Okay, that's all for this video. It's a short one, and I hope to see you in the next video. You enjoyed this one, and you will enjoy to work with the attribute picker. And the next video I'll show you how to create a go-go picker.